This is my 2019 Tacoma off-road. You have train selection, you have no claw control, four-wheel drive. On the land they have a lot of here. Okay, today I will do a review on my Tacoma off-road 2019 for how to use multi-train selection and crawl control. Okay, and first of all you go to the four-wheel drive. Okay, four-wheel drive, you go to the high four. This wheel flashing, that means it's not activated yet, and then you go to the dry or reverse or dry, neutral, and then when they stop flashing it will activate four-wheel drive. Okay. After that you go low 4. Okay, low 4, you on neutral, and then you select to low 4. You will see that flash couple times and then it activated. Multi-train select. Okay. Push this button. You will see that in the screen it shows what position you want to use, rock or mud and sand. See that select it, move with it, rock and dirt or rock. Okay, and then you how to use crawl control. Okay, crawl control is you put the gear to the dry, okay, and then you push the butt, then it will show the control speed. Okay, when you move the die, you'll see go from low, medium or high. Okay, I recommend that to go to the low first, and then you can move to higher speed during you going. This control is automatic by the system. You just control the power, the steering. That's what you do. Okay, how to turn it off? You go to the four-wheel drive, you push and turn it, and then you move to the neutral. Move this to neutral, and then you will deactivate it. After it deactivated, then you can move to the two-wheel drive. You can move out from four-wheel drive anytime during driving, or I can move right now to the two-wheel drive. You can hear the click and then it stops. Okay, that's it. Then I will use this as multi-train select, and then I will go up here. Ni man ขี่ลงเนาะพี่น้องขี่ลงค่อยลงมานี่มันรีบเติบเลยลงมาโอ้โหโอ้โหโอ้ดาวโก้ Okay, when you do this on the low 4 and use the mud or rock control, you cannot go fast, maybe less than 5 miles an hour. If you try to go fast, you have to shift back to no more four-wheel drive. Okay. Now I will crawling. We go crawling up the hill, up onto this hill right here. This deep hill, up over, and it will go over up here. There's a lot of rock and mud. Okay, and I will go up all the way there. Okay.เสียงน้ำไหลนะมีแม่น้ำอยู่ตึกมากินข้าวปลากินข้าวปลามองน้ำธรรมชาติเห็นพวกนี้ตัวดีว่ากูสิยังนอนอยู่นี่รอดบ่มึง